I just unboxed this makeup box and I wanted to show you really because this is not a regular kind of makeup box we see usually. This is pretty spacious and looks really pretty, and I'll show you how I can fit all this stuff inside this one. And this is very spacious one, that is why you can fit not just this one, you can fit even many items in this one. I'll just show you how to just fit all these items inside. These are all the moisturizers, foundation creams, serums, hair serums, and this is a cake powder. This is a moisturizer. One good thing about this box is it has different racks to organize all your stuff in different racks. And this is one where I kept, see, you can see this, I have kept all my nail polish and removers and all. Here I kept some lashes, but still it's very spacious, you have space there. And here I can keep all my lengthy items, which is long, like your comb, your brushes, your cotton balls and all. But still you can see this, I still have space here. You can fit even more, so many items. I have all this stuff, so I have kept all this. This is how my box looks after keeping all my products. But I bought this in Malaysia and an online website which is called Lazada. If you have any friends or any cousins or relatives, you can just ask them to bring for you. Thank you for watching my video.